So we've got a little instruction here not to use a calculator in the question. It doesn't mean you can't actually use one, just don't show any working where you've clearly used a calculator and show intermediate steps. You can use calculators to check what you're doing and so on. So we want to simplify this expression here, given our answer in the form a plus b root 5. So, well, there's a fair bit to do here really. So let's see what we can do with the top to start with. So 6 take away 2 root 5 there, and I've got 4 take away root 5. To get rid of that on the bottom, there's a fair chance that I'll have to multiply by 4 plus root 5 top and bottom, but I'm going to see what the top comes out to first before I do that. So let's expand, and we're going to get 18. I'm going to get 12 root 5s, and then I'm going to get take away 6 root 5s, and finally we'll get take away 4 times 5, so take away 20. Remember, root 5 times root 5 is 5. So that's over 4 take away root 5. So the top actually gives me negative 2 plus 6 root 5. And that's over the 4 take away root 5. So I think I'll now take that step, since nothing nice came out of that, to multiply top and bottom by 4 take away root 5. So we've got to rationalize the denominator in order to get an expression like this one up here. So, well, the bottom's nice and easy at least. It's going to be 16, that's supposed to be a plus there, 16 take away 5, which is 11. And what happens on the top? I'm going to get negative 8 plus 24 root 5, take away 2 root 5, and then add 6 times 5, so that's add 30, which is 30 take away 8 is 22, plus 22 root 5 all over 11, so that's 22 over 11 plus 22 root 5 over 11, which is 2 plus 2 root 5, which is in the correct form now. So let's have a look at part B. So all lengths we're told are in centimeters. The diagram shows the triangle ABC with AB being 6 minus 2 root 3. We can see that. BC is 6 plus 2 root 3. And you're given that cos ABC, which is this angle here, so we're given that cos of this angle, I'm just going to call this angle theta for the moment, so cos theta is negative a half. We want to find the length of AC, so we could use the cosine rule here. So a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. So in this one I'm actually calling this side A, the one I'm trying to find over there. So a squared is going to be 6 minus 2 root 3 squared plus 6 plus 2 root 3 squared minus 2 times 6 minus 2 root 3, 6 plus 2 root 3 cos A, which we know is negative a half. So that's going to be 6 minus 2 root 3 squared. So remember what we're doing there is 6 minus 2 root 3 6 minus 2 root 3. So we're squaring it. So we've got 36, take away 12 root 3 and then another 12 root 3, 24 root 3, and then plus 4 times 3, which is 12. And then when we do this one, it will be the same thing but with a plus in the middle. So we'll have plus 24 root 3, and that will also be a plus 12. And then plus, because this 2 and the negative half cancel out, and difference of 2 squares, so that's just going to be 36, take away 12. Okay, so the 24 root 3's cancel like so, and this 12 will cancel with one of those 12s. So we've got 36, add 36, add 36, so that altogether is 108, and add 12, which gives us 120. And therefore A is going to be the square root of 120. And we want to get that into this form just here. Now the best I can see there at the moment is that 120 is 4 times 30, and therefore A is going to be root 4 root 30, so A is going to be 2 root 30, and of course we were told that they were all in centimeters.